All right, so today I want to show you how to set up multiple screens on your Mac device. So I've been using this USB-C or Thunderbolt adapter here, honestly, for about 3 years. They don't even make it anymore, but I'll show you the type that you need to get this setup going. What's crazy about this brand, I don't know how they went out of business. I bought 2 of them at the same time, thinking that, this was $100, maybe it'll break soon. It's still going strong, so I have a brand new one here that I can switch to once that one fails. So first things first, we need to make sure that our Mac, that we have the right hardware. So you have to look and understand what your Mac has for inputs or outputs. This is a Thunderbolt or USB-C. If yours is a little bit older, it might be different, but we just need to make sure that it has 2 HDMI outputs. This is the most important thing. If we don't have these 2 HDMI outputs, we can't connect our screens here. I have these Samsung screens that I bought on Black Friday, I believe, a few years ago. So setting it up super easy. Obviously plug this in, plug in our HDMI here, and then make sure that these are plugged into the Mac. No, I'm sorry, to the screens. And then from the computer, from our Mac, what we would do is open up the system settings here, because a lot of times when these are first hooked up, they actually are backwards. To manage the arrangement, we would just open up our settings and scroll down to displays here. And in displays, you can see that I have these 3. My built-in display, my 2 displays here, but we're just going to select this arrange button. And now with the arrange, you can see that red flashing. That's telling me that this screen is on the right. Can't see this, but that would be the left screen, and this is my built-in screen. This white bar right here is going to be your app bar. So if you want it on this screen, just move it over, and you can see that that has, oh, not the app bar, the what is this thing called? Whatever this is called, that's what it is. Now, if these need to be moved, it's a drag and drop function here. So you would just select it and move it where it needs to go by just clicking and holding and dragging. You have a lot of other options here if you left click as well. So currently I have these as extended displays. So this is a real quick and easy way to set up your dual monitors. I'll throw the links in the description. I hope this helps, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.